Personally, madilim ako nun as a person. Madilim in a sense that, yun nga, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, I lost both of my parents 8 months apart. Then, hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko pa ba yung concert because mentally, emotionally, hindi talaga ako okay. But going back, siguro parang mas kung tatanungin ko sila, mas gugustuhin nila na ituloy ko yung concert. So I pushed through with the concert even though my heart was really broken. Then I used that brokenness, yung pagka-dilim ng utak ko, yung pagiging heartbroken ko, siguro yun na lang yung ginamit ko as a motivation para magawa ko yung concert na yun.
Wow.
That's why that concert was really, really special to me, na talagang sabi ko sa Star Music, since it's my 20th anniversary in the business, gusto ko siyang ilagay sa isang album na mai-immortalize yung mga songs ko and yung performance ko on that night.
Yes.
Billboard Philippines.
Volumes. Billboard Philippines.